Zimbabwe held the final review meeting of its National Action Plan, NAP, for the Limpopo River Basin on 18 to 19 February in Bulawayo. Limcom Commissioner, Mr. Gilbert Maweri said NAPs are the cornerstone of meaningful transboundary cooperation, hence the need for Zimbabwe to develop a plan that reflects its national development priorities.
These interventions must be robust, practical, and well aligned with our national priorities, strategies, and ongoing initiatives.
NAPs are comprehensive country-specific strategies designed to address water-related environmental challenges identified in the Limpopo Transboundary Diagnostic Analysis. The NAPs complement the Strategic Action Programme, SAP, which takes a broader perspective to address basin-wide challenges affecting the Limpopo. Commissioner Engineer Wadilav Mandiziba said once all comments are incorporated into the plan, the country will approve its NAP.
Because this workshop we live with a shared commitment and coordination for developing our final NAPs and prioritized intervention to prepare for the resource mobilization and implementation of the proposed interventions.
Botswana approved its NAP on February 13, 2026, while other Limcom member states, namely Mozambique and South Africa, are expected to meet soon to review and validate their NAPs. Development process of the TDA and SAP NAPs forms part of the broader initiative, the Integrated Transboundary River Basin Management for the Sustainable Development of the Limpopo River Basin. Limcom is implementing the project in partnership with the Global Water Partnership Southern Africa, with support from United Nations Development Programme, through funding from the Global Environment Facility.